Now, moving on, Kenya has recorded over 1,000 new cases of coronavirus for the fourth day in a row amid heightened calls for the government to crack the whip. The latest statistics by the Ministry of Health shows 1,065 more people tested positive for the virus in the last 24 hours, while 10 others unfortunately succumbed to the disease. This coming as security personnel in Migori County have been deployed to enforce the Covid-19 regulations on wearing of face masks as well as social distancing. Nancy Okware with more on that.
Migori County Commissioner Boaz Terutich says they have deployed security officers to arrest those flouting the Covid-19 regulations, calling for sub-county enforcement teams to be set up to conduct civic education.
So we are appealing to the residents of Migori to give support to these officers. It is not our intention to arrest and prosecute individuals. But then what we are telling them is that they must observe these guidelines, they must observe the protocols.
But the key thing is that Mwananchi must be aware that COVID is real and we need to protect ourselves. Protection starts with us. You know, COVID never comes to you. You go for COVID.
Meanwhile, ODM's parliamentary aspirant Omari Boga in the Msambweni by-election is currently recuperating under the home-based care program. Boga was discharged from hospital to recuperate at home after testing positive for COVID-19. He has cautioned Kenyans against laxity under the false notion that COVID-19 is not real. These as the country continue to record high coronavirus cases. With 1,065 cases recorded from 7,386 samples tested, pushing the total to 61,769. In the last 4 days alone, the country has recorded a total of 4,676 coronavirus cases, with over 1,000 cases being recorded each day. 888 patients were discharged from hospital, with 1,270 still admitted. 59 patients are in the intensive care unit, with 26 on ventilator support and 27 on supplemental oxygen. Another 94 patients are separately on supplementary oxygen, out of whom 80 are in the general wards and 14 in the high dependency unit.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the national government, through its post-COVID-19 economic stimulus program, has allocated 1 million shillings for payment of salaries for 3,500 rangers working within the community conservancies across the country.
We have completed our process, and next week we will release salaries for September. So next week we will start releasing salaries for 3,500 rangers, community rangers wenye wanafanya kwa conservancies.
Nancy Okware, Channel 1 News.